Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Maths with Prepclass. I am BC and I'm your tutor. Today we are going to be solving Loyola Maths Examination year 2020 from questions 16 to 20. Subscribe to our channel, like our videos, comment on them so that you can get more educational content like this. So the first question in this video is question 16. Evaluate 408,002.61 correct to 4 significant figures. What are significant figures? Significant figures are digits that have meaning or contribute to the value of the number. We start counting significant figures at the first non-zero digit. So what do? Let's write down 408,002.61. Now let's count the first 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 is the fourth digit. So what do? We draw a vertical line after the fourth digit and then we look at the next digit. If the next digit is more than 5, that is 5 or more, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we increase 0 by 1. But if the next digit is less than 5, that is 4 or less, 4, 3, 2, and 1, we leave the fourth digit as it is. So this is 0, so we leave it as it is. So we have 4080. Then all these other numbers become 0. So we have 408,000.00. So we can remove this 00 since it doesn't have any meaning. So now 408,002.61 correct to 4 significant figure is 408,000. So the correct option is option B, 408,000. Alright, let's move on to number 17. The LCM of 13 and 10 is... So I love LCM. I love LCM a lot because there are so many ways to perform LCM. Now, what does LCM mean? LCM is lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. There are several methods of finding LCM, but the two common methods are the prime factorization method and listing multiples method. In this video, we are going to be using the prime factorization method. So this involves just 2 steps. The first step is that we write each number as a product of its prime factors. So the first number is 13. 13 is 1 multiplied by 13. These are the 2 prime factors that can be multiplied together to get 13. Then 10 is 2 multiplied by 5. When we multiply 2 by 5, we have 10 as the answer. So the prime factors of 13 is 1 times 13, while the prime factors of 10 is 2 and 5. So the next step is to multiply all the prime factors. So I can start from the smallest prime factor to the biggest. So I have 1 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 5, multiplied by 13. 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 5 is 10, 10 times 13 is 113. So the LCM of 13 and 10 is 130. So you can see that solving LCM problems is very easy. All you have to do is to write each number as a product of its prime factors, then multiply all prime factors. Now let's find out the correct option. The correct option is A, which is 130. Easy, right? Okay, let's move on to the next question, which is number 18. A trader bought an item for 3,538 naira and sold it for 24,624 naira 48 kobo. What is his percentage profit? Okay, to solve this question, we need to get out the information that is given in the question. A trader bought an item for 3,538. So this is the cost price. The cost price is 3,538 naira. And then he sold it for 24,624 naira 48 kobo. So the selling price is 24,624 naira 48 kobo. Now the question says, what is his percentage profit? To be able to get the percentage profit, we need to find out what the trader's profit is. So we can find the profit by using this formula. Profit equals selling price minus cost price. So the selling price is 24,624 naira 48 kobo, and the cost price is 3,538 naira. So let's subtract 3,538 naira from 24,624 naira 48 kobo. So we're going to have 21,086 naira 48 kobo. Now let's find out the percentage profit. The percentage profit is given as profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100. The profit is 21,086 naira 48 kobo, and then the cost price is 3,538. So let's divide 21,086 naira 48 kobo by 3,538 naira multiplied by 100. So let's multiply 21,086 naira 48 kobo by 100. We're going to have 2,108,648 naira. Now we can divide it by 3,538 naira. Naira divides naira, so we can cancel them out. Now we have 2,108,648 divided by 3,538. When we do this division, the answer we'll get is 596%. So this trader must have made a lot of profit. Now let's find out the correct option. The correct option is C, 596.0. Now the next question is number 19. Find the perimeter of triangle whose sides are 14 meter, 52 meter, and 99 meter respectively. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around a two-dimensional shape. A two-dimensional shape is a plane figure that has two dimensions. That is, it has length and breadth. Examples of two-dimensional shapes are circle, square, triangle, and rectangle. So, what is the perimeter of a triangle? The perimeter of a triangle is given as the sum of sides. So, let's find out the sides. The sides of the triangle are 14 meter, 52 meter, and 99 meter. So the perimeter is the sum of the sides. Sum means addition. So we're going to do 14 meter plus 52 meter plus 99 meter. And this will give us 165 meter. So perimeter is simply the sum of sides. So even if you are asked to solve the perimeter of a rectangle, all you have to do is to sum up all the sides. So perimeter is very easy to perform. Just add up all the sides together and then you get your perimeter. Okay, so let's find out the correct option. The correct option is C, which is 165 meters. Now, number 20, which is the last question in this video. 3 lights flash together at intervals of 12 and 6 seconds. After how many seconds do they flash together next? This question is very easy. So, to find out how many seconds the the light flash together next. All we have to do is to find the LCM of 12 and 6 seconds. Okay, so LCM means lowest common multiple. And there are two main methods of finding LCM. The first method here is the prime factorization method, and another method is listing multiples method. In this video, we're going to be using the prime factorization method. If you want to use this method, the first step is to write each number as a product of its prime factors. So we have 12 and 6. So we have to write 12 and 6 as a product of their prime factors. So the prime factors of 12 are 2, 2, and 3. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 will give us 12. And then the prime factors of 6 are 2 and 3. 2 multiplied by 3 would give us 6. Now, the second step is to multiply all prime factors. But note something, the common factors are included just once. You include the common factors once. So let's write it down. The prime factors of 12 are 2 times 2 times 3. Then 6 is 2 times 3. So let's look at this. 2 and 2 are common factors, so we write it down just once. Then we have just 1 2 here, we don't have any other 2 here, so we write down these 2 as well. Then we have 3 and 3 here, so they are common factors, so we write it just once. So now we have 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 12 seconds. So the number of seconds this light flash together is 12 seconds. Now let's find out which of the option is the correct answer. So the correct option is A, which is 12. I hope you enjoyed this video. Join us on WhatsApp, like the videos, and make your comments on them. Till I come your way next time. Bye for now.